Hi everyone, this is Hannah with Journey with the Gingers. In this video, I wanted to show you all a room tour of the Fairfield Inn in New York on West 40th Street. It's technically the Fairfield Inn, New York, Manhattan Times Square. And I just wanted to show you around, just so if you wanted to book this hotel, you know what the room includes. So let's go. I wanted to give you all a room tour of our room here at the Fairfield Inn. It is located on West 40th Street, and I just wanted to show you the room and the amenities it has. Please keep in mind that I'm filming this at the end of our father-daughter trip, so the room is a little bit messy, but that way we can tell you about our experience here. So we're going to start in the bathroom, and we are staying in room 1003, so 1003. From the doorway, once you enter, there is a bathroom. There's a very large size shower. It's very nice. They do include some shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Of course, you have some little bit of shelving. Mirror, high toilet, sink, storage underneath. There is a blow dryer, so that's the good news. I used it several times. And then there is another mirror. Hello. There is a full-size mirror. Hello. And then you come over here and there's the desk and storage area. At the desk, they do provide a desk chair, which is lovely. The lamp does have some plugs for you to charge electronics. There, of course, is a TV. And there is a little coffee section. And there is plenty of storage. There are 2 beds. Please keep in mind, we're filming this as we are checking out, so it's a little disheveled, but plenty of beds. There is a side table in between. The lamps, but I do recommend that you get a multi-plug adapter because you can unplug this, but that's still only 2 outlets, so I do recommend you getting some sort of adapter. Underneath is a beverage cooler. It does get your drinks nice and cold. I don't necessarily recommend you putting food in there, but your drinks are good. Turn this way. There is a window. There is not much of a view because we are right next to the bus terminal. And then there is a wardrobe. And in the wardrobe, there are several hangers, an ironing board and iron, a place that you can put your luggage on, and there is a safe. If you want to store any like electronics or cash or jewelry, there is a safe. Now, I will say, Dad and I did enjoy the location of this hotel. It is very convenient. It is on West 40th Street, and it is very close to the theaters, within walking distance of several attractions. But if you are a light sleeper, I do not know if this will be the best hotel for you, because that bus terminal is loud. Dad and I can sleep through fireworks, so we were fine. But if you are a light sleeper, bring earplugs or find another location because it is quite loud right there. I will say the staff here is amazing. We had breakfast downstairs several times, and it is included with your stay. They are a well-oiled machine down there. The breakfast is just your average hotel complimentary breakfast, but they are so kind down there, and they get people in and out, and it's so clean. And then the maintenance staff here is great as well. Our safe was not working, and they came and replaced it when we came in. It sounds like really bad. The sink, one morning Dad went to go brush his teeth and the sink wouldn't turn off, and they came really quickly and fixed that. And then last night, like our heater AC unit, it decided it just didn't want to turn on, and they fixed it. It sounds bad, but they fixed everything, and they do it so quickly. So plus side, the staff here is amazing. Downside is, if you are a light sleeper, I would not recommend you sleeping here because you will hear that bus noise. But there is complimentary breakfast, and we enjoyed our stay. We walked everywhere. It's very close to the subway, and that's nice. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and we would be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you found it helpful. But we hope that you guys have a great rest of your day. You have safe travels wherever you're going, and don't forget to journey on. Bye.
If you like this video, check out the video to the left. And don't forget to subscribe to Journey with the Gingers.